Top 10 Auto Repair in Spokane. 1. The Auto Service Center, 558 reviews, and Madelia St. 2. Pro-Automotive, Inc., 551 reviews, 17B S Fiske St. 3. Superior Auto Repair and Brake, 538 reviews, East Baldwin Avenue. 4. SS Auto Repair, 528 reviews, and Monroe St. 5. Ray and Roy's Repair Incorporated, 4.9 405 reviews, East Sprague Avenue No. 6. 6. Neff's Auto Repair, 4.9 386 reviews, East Ermina Avenue. 7. Chaney's Automotive, 4.9 141 reviews, East Francis Avenue. 8. J Automotive, 4.9 120 reviews, and Hamilton St. 9. Local Auto Repair Spokane, 4.9 81 reviews, West Francis Avenue. 10. Silver Star Automotive, 4.8 362 reviews, East Springfield Avenue.